Welcome to our channel. NETGEAR Nighthawk RAXE500 wireless router setup. Unbox the beast. You'll see the router, antennas already built in, power adapter, and an Ethernet cable. That's it. Plug it in. Power goes to the wall. Ethernet cable from your modem, right pointing arrow, yellow internet port on the router. Wait a few minutes, the LEDs will start waking up. Connect to it. On your phone or laptop, check Wi-Fi networks. You'll see something like NETGEAR XX. Use the password from the sticker on the router. Grab the Nighthawk app. Yeah, you can do it via web browser, but the app makes it less painful. iOS, Android, free. Log in. App will ask you to create a NETGEAR account if you don't have one. Do it, then it'll scan and find your router. Internet check. It'll run a quick test. If it fails, restart your modem and router. Mine needed one reboot before it clicked. Rename your Wi-Fi. Don't keep NETGEAR XX. Change it to something you'll remember. Same with password. Use something not dumb. Update firmware. The app will scream at you if there's an update. Just let it run. Takes 5 to 10 minutes. Don't unplug it. Done. Tweak if you want. You can go into the app or web panel, routerlogin.net. If you're a nerd, set up guest networks, parental controls, all that. But for normal people, you're basically done. Thank you for watching.